Have you ever felt like you just can't seem to connect with people the way you want? Well, you're not alone. Making friends is tough, and sometimes we unknowingly make mistakes that sabotage the process. Stick around because today we're going to uncover 10 common mistakes to avoid when making friends, so you can build real, lasting relationships. Welcome back to SAH Rise and Shine, the channel where we help you grow, glow, and become the best version of yourself. Before we jump into today's video, let's take a quick moment to watch something really thought-provoking. After the video, we'll dive into the lessons it teaches us about friendship and making meaningful connections.
It was a rainy afternoon when I met Sarah. We were both new to the city and decided to grab coffee together. Initially, everything seemed perfect. We shared a love for books, movies, and coffee, the basics of any friendship. We laughed about the same movies, agreed on our favorite coffee flavors, and it felt easy. But as time passed, something felt off. What we had was a surface-level connection. We bonded over shared interests, but there was no depth. Our conversations revolved around movies and weekend activities, and no matter how many times we met, I felt like I was talking to a stranger, not a friend. That's when I realized, true friendships go beyond the surface. They're about building emotional and mental connections, about being there for each other when times are tough. It's about supporting each other, sharing fears, dreams, and struggles. These deeper bonds are what make a friendship last. I began to reflect on my other friendships. They revolved around activities, movies, games, and events, but none of them lasted. Once the shared interests faded, so did the friendships. Focusing solely on fun moments wasn't enough to build true friendships. One evening, I decided to talk to Sarah about something deeper. I asked her about her life goals, her dreams, and even her biggest fears. At first, she seemed taken aback, but then she began opening up. Slowly, the conversation moved beyond shallow topics, and I learned more about her than I ever had. She shared her passion for helping others and her desire to make a difference in the world. I was surprised by how much we actually had in common beyond our love for coffee. I realized that I had been focusing too much on external things, like hobbies, and hadn't considered her values, what really mattered to her. The moment I began digging deeper, I saw that I hadn't truly been a friend to her, or to myself. I had been trying to fit into a mold that wasn't authentic. Social media made things worse. I compared myself to others, feeling like everyone else had perfect lives and friendships. I felt the pressure to compete, to be better. But I soon realized that friendships aren't competitions. They are about mutual respect, support, and understanding. If a friendship is built on comparisons, it won't last. After reflecting, I decided to take a different approach. I stopped seeking validation from others and began being more authentic. I realized the right people would appreciate me for who I truly am. If Sarah didn't like the real me, maybe she wasn't the right friend. To my relief, she did. We connected in a more meaningful way, and our friendship began to grow. Trust and communication became the foundation of our bond. I started being open about my thoughts and feelings, and Sarah did the same. We listened, respected our differences, and helped each other navigate life's ups and downs. It wasn't always easy, being vulnerable was uncomfortable at times, but it made us stronger. Through this experience, I learned that friendships require effort. You can't just meet someone and expect a deep connection to form. You need to nurture the bond by staying in touch, even during busy times. A simple check-in or thoughtful message can mean a lot.
That video really gives us some eye-opening insights into what it takes to make and maintain true friendships. Now, let's break it down, because today we're talking about the 10 mistakes that could be preventing you from building those strong, genuine bonds. 1. The power of authentic connection. Friendship is so much more than just having someone to hang out with. It's about forming a real connection. True friendships go beyond the surface. They're about emotional and mental support. People who truly understand you. Think about it. When you connect authentically with someone, you build a safe space where both of you can share and grow. So, one of the first mistakes we make is focusing on surface level stuff. It's so easy to get wrapped up in the idea of finding people with similar hobbies or tastes. But friendship is about understanding and supporting one another on a deeper level. You need those friends who will stand by you during tough times, not just in fun moments. 2. Focusing solely on superficial interests. It's tempting to bond with someone over a shared interest, right? But if that's all you have, it's not enough. So many friendships fall apart because they only revolve around one common activity. Sure, it's great to share hobbies, but true friendships require more. Find common values, ideas, and beliefs that go beyond what you do for fun. For example, do you both believe in kindness and integrity? Do you care about supporting each other's growth? Those are the foundations that build a long-lasting friendship. 3. Going beyond surface-level conversations. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I don't want to be too deep too fast. And I totally get it, but don't be afraid to dive in once in a while. Shallow conversations are fine for getting to know each other, but eventually you need to talk about the deeper stuff. Instead of constantly chatting about the latest Netflix show, why not ask your new friend about their biggest life goals, their dreams, or their struggles? This helps create a bond based on real experiences. 4. The trap of comparison and competition. Social media, the place where we compare our behind the scenes with everyone else's highlight reel. But here's the thing. Friendships should not be about comparing who's doing better or who has more followers. It's about mutual respect and support. Avoid getting trapped in the competitive mindset. Celebrate your friends' wins and be there when they fall. True friends lift each other up, not tear each other down. 5. Focusing on external validation. Let's talk about validation. We all crave it, but seeking approval from others can actually hurt your friendships. If you're constantly trying to be someone you're not to please others, you'll never form authentic connections. It's important to just be yourself. Be the real you. And if someone doesn't like that, it's okay. The right friends will appreciate you for exactly who you are. 6. Cultivating open communication and trust. Honesty is the foundation of any strong friendship. If you can't trust each other or communicate openly, it's going to be hard to build something meaningful. Be willing to be vulnerable. Share your thoughts and feelings openly, even when it's hard. And if your friend does the same, listen with empathy. Trust isn't built overnight, but if you invest in open and honest communication, it becomes much easier. 7. Avoiding vulnerability. We all have a tendency to want to protect ourselves, but shutting down emotionally can prevent you from forming deep friendships. If you're afraid of being vulnerable, you're missing out on one of the key ingredients to building trust. It's okay to show up as your true self, flaws and all. Real friends accept you, imperfections and all, and they're there for you no matter what. 8. Nurturing long-lasting bonds. Building friendships isn't a one-and-done thing. It's about maintaining the connection. How do you do that? By making time for each other. Life gets busy, but a friendship that's worth having deserves attention. Whether it's texting a quick, "Hey, how's it going?" or making plans to catch up, keeping in touch goes a long way. Remember, consistency is key. 9. Celebrating milestones and supporting through challenges. Good friends celebrate your victories and stand by your side during tough times. If you only reach out when things are great, your relationship will never grow. So make an effort to celebrate your friends' milestones, birthdays, promotions, or even small wins, and be there for them when life gets tough. That's how you build strong bonds. 10. Developing a shared history. A friendship that stands the test of time is built on shared experiences. That's why it's important to create memories together, whether it's traveling, attending events, or just having those late-night talks. These shared experiences help strengthen your bond and give you something to look back on. All right, guys, that wraps up today's video on the 10 mistakes to avoid when making friends. Remember, forming true friendships takes time, effort, and a willingness to be your authentic self. Now go out there and start building those meaningful connections. What have you learned after watching this video? Okay, let's take a moment to reflect on everything we just talked about. After watching this video, you might be thinking, wow, I've definitely made some of these mistakes. And that's totally fine. The important thing is that you're learning and growing. So what have we learned? First, we've learned that real friendships go beyond shared hobbies and interests. It's about authentic connections, trust, and vulnerability. Second, we've learned that comparison and competition can be toxic to relationships. Be happy for your friends and focus on building each other up, not tearing each other down. Finally, we learned that building and nurturing friendships takes effort. It's about making time for each other, being there through the highs and lows, and creating lasting memories together. The key takeaway? Invest in friendships that make you feel seen, heard, and valued. That's how you create relationships that stand the test of time.